look I see her smile, her absent-minded eyes, and she has kept me wondering for so long how this thing could go wrong. It seems to me that we are both the same, playing the same game.
Wow naman!
But as darkness falls, this true love falls apart into a riddle of her heart. She's so vulnerable.